Hey everybody, thanks for joining. My name is Quentin Weems, COO of Curls and Potions, and one of the co-creators of Aboriginal Man, the men's line, the men's collection we'll be talking about today. Specifically, one of the products we'll be discussing is the Butter Balm, the 3-in-1 conditioner. When we created this product, we wanted to capture the feeling of the pristine you have getting out of the barbershop chair. I wanted to put that feeling, that clean, that freshness in a jar or bottle for everyday use. And that was the purpose for the cream. We packed some great natural ingredients inside. Ambano, a long time natural conditioner in the African culture. This powder has been tied into many different cultures of growth of hair and strengthening purposes. Shea butter, a more commonly used ingredient, great for moisturizing the hair and the skin as well. The more key ingredients, the babasu oil. It actually soothes and penetrates the hair. The best part, not leaving a greasy after feel. You'll see that a lot with this line. There's no greasy after feels. That's probably one of the best points of the line, in my personal opinion. Again, it's a 3-in-1 conditioner. It can be used as a deep conditioner, as a daily moisturizer, or just simply as a styler. I, for the most part, use the Butter Balm as a deep conditioner after I shampoo. I will then apply to my then wet hair, let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. My hair and my beard as well, I need to preface this. Let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, then just simply wash it out. The feedback has been, this is a great product. There's no greasy after effect. It's a subtle scent. So whatever cologne I wear in addition to, it doesn't overshadow it or overlap it. It's really been great. Aboriginalman.com is where you can purchase the Butter Balm. Soon to be on Amazon.com and Walmart.com as well. So we just finished breaking down the first product in the line, the Butter Balm. In up-and-coming videos, we'll discuss the additional 4 products in the line and the benefits they have, as well as the great ingredients that they have packed in them, the recommended use, and how I particularly use them specifically. But that's it for now. So until next time, I'll see you later.